Hello everyone, welcome back. And this is Christina, and I'm outside getting ready to put some of this topsoil in these buckets. I scored 12 of them yesterday, and it's just the plain old topsoil, and I got to find some cow manure, but these buckets were only $5 a piece. These are mineral buckets. I have to put a hole in the bottom for drainage still in just a few minutes, but yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I have tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and radishes, I believe so far, that are going to go out here, and I'm going to go get some more stuff. So that's it for now, and I'll be back.